Okay, let's install Photoshop. So we'll go to Chrome really fast. We'll open up Google Chrome.
There you go.
All right, we got Google Chrome open, and we're going to type in adobe.com. Adobe.com. After we have gone to adobe.com, we're going to click on Sign In. After we have clicked on Sign In, give it a moment to load. We're going to put in our email address, and it's our DOE email at schools.nyc.gov, and we'll hit continue. Oh, if you don't have it already in there, you're going to click create an account on the top. Now you're going to sign in with your DOE email. And you'll do your password. And you sign in on the DOE side. It's gonna, obviously it sends you that prompt if you need it. Alright, so we'll just wait for that. And we'll sign in for the first time. Welcome to adobe.com. Now what we're going to do is we're going to download Photoshop, because that's the first thing that you guys are going to need to do. Okay, so once we go all the way up to the top, let's make this thing bigger, maximize the page. You're going to notice that you have these wafers here. You're going to click on those wafers, and then you're going to click on Photoshop. Photoshop's right there. Click that. Perfect. Now, first thing you're going to do is install Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is installed on your computer, I will take you from there and show you how to use all the tools and do everything you need to for web and print. And just graphic design in general. Okay? I just want to get you through the installation phase so that this way we can get right into the design phase. Just gonna wait a minute. Alright, it finally opened up. There it goes. Now, after it has opened up, you're gonna go on, well, there's a few different ways to do this. We are gonna go on to create Get Desktop App. Right over there where it says Get Desktop App. Let's click that one. You want to install Photoshop onto your computer. So from the Adobe Cloud, wherever the interface takes you to download it, make sure that you download it onto your computer. So we just clicked on Get the Desktop App, and it comes directly from Adobe Cloud. Now it's going to tell you to follow the directions below to install Photoshop, so we'll scroll down just a little bit. Just give it a moment of doing it. It's now downloading Photoshop, I believe. We're just going to have to wait till we get the desktop app. Alright. Now that that has it actually just started to download the setup thing. So you're going to click on Photoshop setup.exe. That can also be found in your downloads file. And now it's giving it is now installing. It's going to install the Creative Cloud on your computer. So we'll click continue. It's installing Photoshop now onto your computer. Alright? And it's telling you exactly where it is. You can approve the login. Alright? Because that's you. And now that you're signed in, it's going to now start the installation process, and Photoshop will be installed on your computer. And you guys are always going to have this inside your apps menu and your program files. Once you see this, and it starts propagating the installation process, you're going to know that you're good. And after that, we can start the designing. And I'll show you guys everything you need to know about Photoshop inside and out. And it's my pleasure. Alright, so let this go down to 100%. And once it's done, you can click finish. And then it will be installed on your computer. And you're going to be able to see it. If you're on a Windows computer, you're going to click on the little window in here, and you're going to see Photoshop at the top. It'll be alphabetically listed, okay? And it's going to be in there under Adobe Photoshop. And you should pin it to your taskbar once it's installed. So let's go back and see how this phase is going. The reason that I'm doing this now is because it does take a little bit of time, and that's it. Thank you.